Namaste, I'm Ira Trivedi and you're watching me on eTimes. So now we're going to look at the amazing practice of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutations. And I'm going to tell you some easy ways to do it. You don't have to be flexible. You don't have to have any experience with yoga at all. So let's do this practice really slowly and steadily, and most importantly, with our breath. So let's get standing at the top of the mat. Bring the feet flat on the ground. Roll the shoulders back. Let's inhale and exhale. Bring the palms together. Now let's inhale, bring the arms slowly up. If you feel comfortable, you can gently arch back. Squeeze the buttocks and arch back. If not, even this is good enough. Exhale with control, slowly coming down. It's as if your ears are pasted in between your arms. Once you get here, bend the knees if you need to and place the palms down and bring the head down. If you don't have too much flexibility, you can easily bend your knees. There's no problem at all. There's no need to really bring the knees straight and to push too much and hurt your back. So just bring the arms down and bend the knees gently so you still feel a stretch at the back of your legs. And once you're here, inhale, bring the right leg back, bring the chin up, chest up. All 10 fingers are on the ground. The back knee is flat, the feet are flat. Retain the breath coming into a plank position. The shoulders and the hips are in one line. Exhale, bring the knees down, bring the chest down, bring the chin down. The shoulders and elbows are in one line. Inhale, gliding up into a cobra, gentle. Exhale, pushing up into an inverted V. You can slide your feet 1 inch forward and just enjoy this beautiful, deep, long stretch. Stay here and hold. Once you get comfortable, stay here and hold. The ears are still pasted in between the ears. From here, inhale and bring the right leg forward. Now this can be a little challenging to bring that leg forward. So what you can do is, you can bring the left knee down, take your right leg and place it forward to help yourself. This can be the easy way of doing this. Now slowly bring the other leg forward, the left leg, same thing, the knees are bent. Inhale, slowly come up, bring the arms up. If you feel comfortable, you can take a gentle arch back and slowly come back down. Now let's do the same thing on the other side, the left leg. Inhale, exhale, palms together. Inhale, slowly bring the arms up. You can just stay here and enjoy. Exhale, slowly coming all the way down. Bend the knees here if you have to. The palms are in line with the toes. Toes, fingers in one line. Inhale, bring the left leg back, chin up, chest up. Retain, coming into a plank. Exhale, you can bring the knees, chin, chest down. Inhale, gentle glide up into a cobra. Exhale, push up into an inverted V. Stay here, maybe move your feet 1 inch forward. So you feel that stretch, push into the palms. Inhale, you can bring the right leg down, left leg forward. Exhale, bring the right leg forward. Bend the knees here gently if you need to. Inhale, arms up, and release. Take a few deep breaths. So that's the Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. So easy, so effective. And you can easily advance this. You can start doing this faster. You can increase from 1 round to 2 rounds to 3 rounds. Just remember that 1 round means that you begin on the right leg and then you begin on the left leg. So you're working with both sides of the body. This is such a great practice, and combined with Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati, it's just the perfect recipe for a healthy life. You can do this just 10 minutes every morning and feel your day transform, feel your energy transform, and just feel so much better. Thank you so much.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more content on health and lifestyle.